world filled with noise, there is a sound that heaven responds to. A sound of surrender, a sound of reverence, a sound of worship. For the Lord of hosts, the King of glory, is set to reveal himself. Psalm 24 verse 10. Who is the King of glory? The Lord strong and mighty, the Lord mighty in battle, the Lord of hosts. He is the King of glory. When he steps in, atmospheres shift, chains are broken, battles bow. This is not just any gathering, this is an encounter. Sound of Worship 2.0. April 10th, 2026. RCCG King's Court OA. Come expectant, come ready.